The equipment has started to arrive, and here they are discussing what they will be doing. This is our front yard and the start of the digging process alongside our house in the driveway. These piles of dirt are going on the driveway. The plumber has arrived to do the work on the inside of the house in the basement. Then the next first thing that they needed to do was shut the water supply off at the turn-off valve. And for some reason, they had problems doing that. First, we heard something broke. They had to call in the street department, and that's what these guys are doing here. They're trying to figure out how to either replace the turn-off valve and get the water shut off. But you'll see later that for some reason, the water didn't get shut off, and it was a pretty big mess there for a while. So as the water keeps pouring out of there, they are actually pumping it out, trying to keep it as dry as possible down in there. And that's what that is. That green tube is actually pumping the water out. So here it looks like they've controlled it somewhat, but it looks like he's having a problem getting that water to stop. And we really don't know why this all happened. Oh, there it goes again. It's just non-stop. And then you can see that where the water is spraying, it's filling up water on this other end. Here's the other end closest to our house, and so these men are deciding to pump this water out now. I took a photo of just a small portion of the new copper water line that is laid down. They're placing some gravel down in that area, and you see that man holding that black pole. That's the water main shutoff that they replaced. So they're just securing that. Now that is our main sewer line from our house to the street. And so now they're looking at it and they're seeing that it is chipped in that section there. And so they are going to go about, well, removing all the dirt around it and then cutting that section out and replacing it. Because, you know, anything that they do in the process of this job, they have to make sure everything is right. And so they don't like that that's chipped in one section. It's removed and replaced with this rubber section. And now it's just getting things back into order, you know, scraping off the things that are on the lawn and getting the driveway back, you know, where all the dirt piles are spread out and are removed. Half of the apron of the entry into our driveway was removed, so that'll be pebbles now until the street department comes to replace the concrete sidewalk and apron to our driveway. And next year in 2024 we will be getting a new street, so I would think that they would just leave it as gravel for now until they redo everything next year, but I think that they're going to just replace the apron right away. They're loading up everything, and that's pretty much the end of the project. It was a 12-hour day. We were the very last person in the city to get the new water line to our house, and it turned out to be the most complicated one of all. Now we'll just wait for them to come back one day and do the driveway, apron, sidewalk, and lawn work.